Air Max na ano?
Nai-comment ko.
Pagupit daw.
Abo ko.
Ano naman ngayon na buhay mo? Oo, Air Max kayo, di tayo.
Ngunyan na 2 years. 2 years lang mga bata.
2 years pa di?
2 years.
Ano, sa member kang religion na mga macho saka payat.
Ano?
Jehovah's Fitness. Hindi na yan. O anong religion ng mga member? Mas mga payat ng real.
Ano?
Mas slim.
Ayan na.
Ayan ako.
Wala pa.
Ang bitang ako ngayon.
Nabarkada ko talaga nito.
Pwede man, pwede man.
Pwede na.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to my old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. In the old days, I'm such a romantic. I never remember how things really happen. I guess you're attractive or something. Live in the moment, that's what they tell me. But whatever happened to when you would hold me and hold me and hold me? Girlfriend or girl that's a friend, it's easy just to pretend that we don't have something real. It's just how we feel. We feel. Oh, it's just how we feel. How we feel. I'm feeling something right. 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 I wanna be.
Sa palituan.